On 13 May 2025, we celebrate the feast of Blessed Mary Dominica Mazarello, a woman of deep faith, simplicity, and tireless love for the young. Alongside Saint John Bosco, she helped give life to the Salesian charism among girls. Founding the Institute of the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, Mary Mazarello's life was marked by an ordinary work and extraordinary holiness. Her early years as seamstress and lay apostle in the Monies prepare her heart to respond to God's call in a unique way. What stands out in her journey is how she embraced her limitation and allowed God to transform them into a new mission. She didn't found a congregation from a desire for status, but from a burning love for the young and a desire to form them in faith and virtue. Her simplicity, rooted in deep spiritual wisdom, reminds us that holiness is not beyond reach. She often said, "Do what you can, and God will do the rest." This day invites all of us, especially young people, to follow her example of faith, service, and joy. A special Holy Mass is offered in her honor at 6:30 p.m. at St. Mary's, Mother of the Church, Rangblang Parish, in which Most Reverend Wilbert Marwin presided over the Holy Eucharist, and followed by a fraternal meal at St. Mary's Convent. This day we pray together and reflect and focus on Mazarello's virtues and devotion to Mary Help of Christians. Salesian Sister organized activities at St. Mary's Higher Secondary School to remember her legacy. Now in our parish, we have St. Mary's Convent with 6 sisters in the community, and that is Sister Dorothy Cardo, Sister Canrisha Thank-you, Sister Beatrinitas Lingdo, Sister Cantulin Mary Korba, Sister Bantesha Warshong, and Sister Jobita Marwin in St. Mary's Convent community. Thank you so much, dear sister, for your great service and selfless sacrifice. May God continues to bless you and family members as a whole. Thank you.